Hey, dear beautiful souls, we are on the last day of 2024, and that's a wonderful day. We are going to, we have to end this day with a happy note, with a grateful note. That's very important because when we have to be grateful for each and everything happened in our life. First of all, that we have to be thankful for the universe who are given one day, another day to live in our life and to write a beautiful chapter of our life. And I always say we have to thank our hands and legs for helping us and supporting us to do our day-to-day life duties, and the way we have to do it. And again, last start with that, let's start with it's a random gratitude. So whatever is coming in my mind, I'll be saying that. So you too feel, if you are feeling with the same kind of an energy, or if you're feeling the same kind of a gratefulness, to type it in the comment box. First of all, we have to be thankful to our parents who has brought us to our life and given us the strength to overcome all the challenges in our life, taught us a lot in our life. And to our family, our own family, you can say that your husband, your sisters, and your children, all those who are there in your life, or everyone has a purpose. When you are with a particular group, kind of a family you're staying with, that is all not, it's just something, it's something newly I've created. It is all already written, and that's our karma. We are there together. It is like it is. We have to be thankful for that moment and those relationships we are together. And what else? Like, we've got the house, so we have to be thankful for the roof on top of a head. So small or big, that is not a material matter to it. We just have to be thankful of the place where we are there. And the what we are eating, we are getting some food to eat, and we are able to survive with those foods. And sometimes we are having too much what we have. That's everything we have to be thankful of. And the main thing is your knowledge. The God has given you a lot of knowledge, and that is again thankful for that. And what else we can be thankful of? The people who have come in your life. Who some people who would have come must have given you happiness, some would have given you pain. So we have to be thankful for both of them, because they have come as a teacher to teach us the what is real happiness is, and and again, what are the real pain they've taught us. With those pains we have overcome in our life, and still here in 24, end of the day we are here. So that is again the end of the year. So we are interacting with each other. You're watching me in your mobile, and I'm talking to you all. So that's the people have taught us. The people would have, next one is those who are appreciated us, and also us criticized us. So that is again we are to be very grateful of and thankful of. And again, to all those mentors who have come in our life, thanking them for all the mentors. It's a big gratitude to all the mentors to helped us to upgrade our knowledge, and to groom what we are right now. So again, so what else we can be with us? So we can be with what mobile you have it. So you're watching that mobile. Without the mobile you will not have able to watch it. Internet connection is there, so we have to be thankful for all that, and be a better version of you right now in the next 2025. So it's like you always stay positive and think positive and act positive. We are sharing each other every day. You can share your thoughts, you can write your thoughts, start your journaling. If you have not started it, I have started the journaling. And what else we can do? So this is what practice all the good things what you have learned till now, and that's try to be a better person. Always have a good vision boards do help it. Affirmations do help it. Do watch my channel for affirmations. I keep every week, so weekly affirmations I'll give, every day affirmations I'll give, and I'll take a break in between so that you practice those affirmations what I have given. I have sent it to the one week. And so do comment whoever wanted to have a more of a knowledge, and what you want me to share something apart from all this as a motivation, as an inspirations. And so do type in. And we are thankful all for all this day, all of you joining right now. Thank you so much, and lots of love and lots of wishes. And let's look forward for the positive 25, and we'll make our best of it. Every challenges will be there. We have to fight it and move ahead in life, because the year of Saturn has just come to an end, and we are going to step into the year of Mars, number 9, Mars. So those people who are a number 9, they knew that how those Mars energy works on, because I am number 9 and I know how the Mars energy works. So must have experienced the Saturn energies previous this year 2024, because the Saturn Lord Shani gives you a lot of lessons, make you put you into lot of challenges situations, so that you learn and overcome the situations. When you teachers will he teaches you discipline and overcome help. It's when you face, or when you focus on your discipline routine, and also with those intention to overcome the challenges, Lord Shanis always help you to overcome whatever the situations you are faced in. And this is the Mars years, you might find a lot of energy, and this is a very energetic year is going to come forward. So make use of it, stay positive. The things, do not worry about the negative things happening in your life. Get guidance and go ahead in your life in a very positive note. So happy new year in advance. So thank you so much for all being with me for this 24, and have making this family a bigger, and the growing. My other life series is growing in a very bigger way. Thank you so much. Thank you, universe, for staying with me.